Now, when you're looking for a no-nonsense workhorse performer of a rhododendron, one that's going to put on a really good show, that's going to be hardy and easy to grow and thoroughly reliable, then you're probably going to want to take a close look at this very nice selection of our native rhododendron. This is Rhododendron Boursault, a selection that was developed in Paris in France. Our native Rhododendron Catawbiense grows down in the Allegheny and Appalachian Mountains. And this selection, as you see, comes out now with violet buds that then open to these lovely lilac-pink flower trusses that are rounded and well filled out and held nice and prominently above the dark green leathery foliage. It's a plant that's going to grow about 5 or 6 foot high, though if you go into big old gardens, you're probably going to find plants that are bigger than that, perhaps 12 and 15 foot. But these are varieties that have grown there for a long time, and of course it's all relative to time. In most people's gardens, you're going to find it as a rounded evergreen plant that's around about 5 or 6 foot or thereabouts. As I said, a really good, strong, reliable performer that puts up with our cold in winter time and our heat in the summertime, and that's why it's been around such a long time. This is Rhododendron Catawbiense Boursault.